in the last year? Or
I can't give you an exact figure. I mean, all rides have days where they break down. I don't think there should be any connection to breakdowns to this incident. I don't think they're related. It's you know, and I have to be fair in that. It is accurate to say that all rides, all big coasters, have their days where they have issues.
so did you know there was a problem with this ride before the accident? Did you know there was a problem earlier today, that there was a problem with the ride? You personally, had you been alerted to that fact?
No, I haven't.
Do you believe human error could have played a part in this?
I honestly don't know, but I would reiterate that will form part of our investigation, which we are conducting with the Health and Safety Executive.
How quick is that investigation likely to be done?
I can't answer that, I don't know. I think I would have to have further conversations with the Health and Safety Executive to determine that. But, you know, let me reiterate, please, that our main concern is with the injured people and their families.